Good morning, dear class. This is a video for the revision exercises of chapter number 3, 4 and 5. Take the most appropriate answer. Which of the following is not an animal fiber? It is jute. Fiber obtained from Angora goat is called mohair. The process of cutting woolen fleece of a sheep is called shearing. What can be the maximum length of the continuous silk fiber from cocoon? That is 900 meters. Silkworm have a pair of specially modified salivary glands known as secretaries. Science of cultivation of the silkworm is called sericulture. The process of releasing silk from the cocoon is reeling. The country is famous for silk production is China. At this stage, a silkworm produces silk known as pipa. The process of straightening the wool fiber is called spinning. Next is fill in the blank with the words given in the bracket. Bombyx moray feeds on mulberry leaves. The silk moth rotates its body in a figure 8 movement to prepare the cocoon. Dash is used in producing cosmetics such as cream, that is lanolin. Pashmina shawl are produced from the hair of Kashmiri goat. Silkworms have a pair of specially modified salivary glands known as secretaries. Exercise C is state whether the following statements are true or false. Silk and wool are natural fibers. True. Shearing hurts the animal. False. Wool obtained is generally white in color. True. Female moth dies immediately after laying the eggs. True. Workers of silk factory often suffer from occupational asthma. True. Exercise D is match the following. First is scoring. We'll match it with E, cleaning sheared skin. Scoring is the process in which sheared skin is cleared. Second is yak. We'll match it with D. It is wool yielding animal. Third is fabroin. We'll match it with A, clear, proteinous, viscous, fluid. Next is sericulture. We'll match it with B, cultivation of silk worm. Fifth is mohair. We'll match it with C, fiber obtained from Angora goat. Exercise C is give one word answer. You have to give one word answer for the following statements. The process by which the woolen fleece is cut off is shearing. The process of cleaning sheared skin is called scouring. Glands through which the silk moth releases proteinous viscous fluid is secretaries. The device in which silk eggs are kept for hatching is incubator. The process of twisting raw silk into single strand to make it strong is known as weaving. It is for weaving. The process is known as throwing. Next is chapter 4. Exercise A, take the most appropriate answer. A silver ball at 60 degrees Celsius is dropped in a mug containing water at 60 degrees Celsius. The heat will, the answer is C, not flow from the silver ball to water or from the water to the silver ball. Second is the degree of hotness or coldness of an object is referred to as temperature. A device used for measuring the temperature is thermometer. In a Celsius scale based clinical thermometer, we measured 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius. The process through which heat is transferred in solids is conduction. Which of the following is a bad conductor of heat? It is air. Sea breeze is a wind from sea to land. Radiation is a method of heat transfer that can take place in the presence and absence of medium. In summer, we feel comfortable in light colored clothes. Exercise B is fill in the blanks with the words given in the bracket. That is, the hotness of any object is determined by its temperature. We cannot use clinical thermometer to measure temperature of boiling water. No medium is required for transfer of heat by the process of radiation. When we dip a metal spoon in a glass of hot milk, the process in which heat is transferred from the milk to the spoon is known as convection. The heat from the sun reaches us through the process of radiation. Exercise C is state whether the following statements are true or false. Normal human body temperature is 98.4 degree Fahrenheit. It is true. The thermoflask is a vessel that prevents transfer of heat by conduction, convection and radiation. It is true. Heat flows from hot to cold object. It is true. In coastal areas, we experience convection current in the form of sea and land breeze. It is true. Heat cannot be transferred in gases. It is false. Match the following. Land breeze, it takes place in night, so we'll match it with option number C. Dark colored clothes, we'll match it with option A. We wear dark colored clothes in winter. Sea breeze, it takes place at daytime, so we'll match it with option D. And light colored clothes, we'll match it with B, that is summer. Give one word answer for the following. Materials through which heat passes smoothly is conductors. The thermometer used to measure the body temperature is clinical thermometer. The process through which oil is heated is convection. Write the unit of temperature. You can write, there are two units of temperature. Either you can write degree Celsius or degree Fahrenheit. State the normal human body temperature in Celsius and Fahrenheit. In Celsius it is 37 degrees Celsius and in Fahrenheit it is 98.4 degree Fahrenheit. Next is the exercise of chapter number 5, that is take the most appropriate answer. Which of the following is acidic? Curd. Which of the following is basic? Soap water. Tamarind contains tartaric acid. Which of these is a strong base? Potassium hydroxide. We use ammonia as a food preservative. Blue litmus will turn red in acidic solution. Which of the following is a natural indicator? China rose petal. When you have the acidity, you should have antacids. In neutralization reaction, we get salt and water. Soap we use every day are bases. Exercise B is fill in the blank with the words given in the bracket. Litmus is extracted from lichen. Vinegar contains acetic acid. When an acid and a base react, they produce salt. Ammonia is a weak base. Baking soda helps in insect sting. Exercise C is state whether the following statements are true or false. Ammonia is a highly basic when dissolved in water. True. Tamarind solution will turn blue litmus red. It is true. Sodium hydroxide and hydrochloric acid neutralize each other to form salt and water. It is true. Milk of magnesia is used to relieve from ant sting. It is false. Salts are always basic in nature. False. Exercise D is match the following. Acids, will match it with sour. Turmeric, it is a natural indicator. Bases, they are bitter and soapy. Sodium carbonate is a washing soda. And antacid is a neutralizer. Exercise E is give one word answers. Name the acid that we find in ant sting. It is formic acid. Name a natural indicator. It is turmeric. Solutions that do not change color in any litmus strip is neutral solution. It is used to determine the acidity and alkalinity of solution. Indicator. This salt is used in purification of water. This is potash atom. I hope you have revised the exercises of chapter number 3, 4 and 5.